Software Spring. Presents. How to use query in Google Sheets. Part 1. Hello folks, greetings. Welcome to this tutorial, which gives the steps to use the query function for retrieving all or some of the data. The query function is among the powerful functions in Google Sheets. Alright, here are the objectives of this tutorial. To extract all the data from one sheet into another. To extract specific data from one sheet into another. Let's begin by taking a look at the query function formula. Here is an example. Data can be a named range, or just the address of the range, the data in which you want to query. Query is the query you want to conduct, based on the Google Visualization API query language. Select is a clause, which extracts specified data. The other clauses of Google Visualization API query language are where, group by, pivot, order by, limit, offset, label, format, and options. In the query, these clauses have to be used in the same order. Back to the formula, select star means, select everything from the named range, sales data. Headers is optional, and specifies the number of headers in the data range. Moving forward, let me name this range as sales data. This step is optional, but makes the formula easier to read. First, select the data. In the name box, type the range name as sales data, and press enter. Let me switch to this sheet by clicking the tab. Alright, we are all set to type the query function formula for extracting all the data. Type the equal to symbol, Q, U, E, and select query. For data, first type the first few letters of the range name, and select the name, and type comma. For query, first type the double quotes, type select, followed by an asterisk, and type the double quotes again. The final formula is press enter. OK, the query function has returned all the data. Now, we will extract data, say only from columns A and E. Click this cell to modify the formula. Type A, comma, E, over the asterisk. Note that column labels should be typed in uppercase. The final formula is press enter. There you go. Query has returned the required data. Quick review. Query is one of the most powerful functions in Google Sheets. The Google Visualization API query language has clauses like select, where, and group by. The select clause can extract all or only some of the data. The syntax of the query function formula is. That's it folks. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to this channel.